There's an overabundance of money in this universe, but sometimes, and I'm saying this sometimes because I've been in a situation where I just feel like everything is gloomy and everything is limited. I've been in situations like that. I've been stuck in that thought process. Then I realized as I started shifting, right? Reading books, meditating, prayer, just surrounding myself with positive folks. It's just like an abundance of money everywhere, and you have to change your polarity and your vibrational energy, and you will start attracting lots and lots of great energy, because money is energy at the end of the day. It's currency, it's current, it's electricity. So guys, let me just tell you this really quick. I think that this was a cool, unique idea, so I'm sharing this on YouTube, and I hope that Bill also gets a lot more clients, because I think it's a cool concept. Check it out. All right, guys, so as we are partially prepping right now, look at this. You gotta admire this car right here. So this is part of the theme. It's the Roaring 20s. Bill, which I'll introduce you to you guys right now. Bill is that guy right there looking super sharp. What's up, Bill?
How's it going?
Bill, can you tell us a little bit about your business?
Yeah, it's just basically for fun. I rent the car out for parties, weddings, basically anything. I've driven people to grocery stores.
Okay.
I mean, if somebody wants me to pay me to teach them to learn how to drive one of these, which 9/10 of people can't,
Okay.
I do that as well.
Great. Now, what areas do you service?
Up here in the desert.
Up in the desert?
Apple Valley, Adelanto, Hesperia, Victorville.
Okay. And now, how far in advance do you think people should book?
Well, if they want to guarantee it, a month or so.
About a month or so.
Anything shorter than that, you know, it's kind of dodgy.
Great. And then can you give us a contact number?
Yeah, and my number is 909-446-5657. My name's Bill Kenny.
It's a pleasure, Bill. Thank you.
Okay.
Loving the ride.